If you want to put your back seats flat on the Citroen C3, this is a 2021 model, it's very easy to do. It works in a 1/3, 2/3 configuration. So this is the 1/3 and these ones here are the 2/3. And if you have a look here, we have just a little catch here that we just need to push towards you, and then you can pull the seats forward. And you can see that there's a little red indicator to let you know it's not locked in, because if you push it back and you don't push it back far enough, then that's unsafe. And you can see the red indicators there. So after you've put them flat, you need to slam it like so to get it to go fully home. And it's the same on this one over here. Just go in there and then you can push them down like so and then slam them back into position. Remember, you can adjust the headrests by basically pushing that button in, and that will allow the headrest to go down, so that will give you more room here. You can even take the headrest completely out if you want. So if you were to do that there to the top position and then take them there, you can do that, and it might just give you that little bit more room to put them down flat. So that's it. And then obviously to put the headrest back in, you do it in that position there. I'm trying to do this one-handed, and then you can press that in to push them fully all the way down. Thanks for watching.